So 9th class, in your topic of convection, you have to perform an experiment 9.1, and in this experiment you have to prove the definition of convection, which says that heat is transferred by the actual movement of molecules. You have to prove this definition. So what you have to do in this experiment is you have to take water in a beaker and you have to heat that water with the help of a flame. This is a candle which is providing the flame. When the water has heated enough, you have to add crystals of red potassium permanganate inside of it. When the crystals are heated with water, these crystals dissolve inside the water and the red color can be seen in the water at the bottom of the beaker. As you know, the water is being heated. That means the molecules of water rise up, and when they rise up, they also carry the red color of the crystal of potassium permanganate with them to the surface of the water. And now as we are performing the experiment, you will see that the red color can be seen rising up from the bottom of the beaker to the top of the beaker at the surface of the water. So this proves that the molecules themselves are carrying heat from the bottom towards the surface of the water. Now as the molecules are rising up, this means a space has been left behind. That space is filled by the cold water molecules present at the surface of the water. These cold water molecules will move down and they will get heated as well. Since the red color is also present at the surface of the water at this point, so as the molecules are moving down, they will also carry the red color of potassium permanganate with them. And in this way, you can see that the red color is also traveling down in this direction towards the bottom of the beaker. So this proves that the molecules, when heated, they rise up. They themselves carry heat from the bottom towards the top, and when they become cold, they again move downwards and again they are heated. And in this way, there is a circle that forms of the movement of the red potassium permanganate. The potassium permanganate is heated, it rises up and then becomes cold, it comes back and it is heated again and again. So this proves the definition of convection, which says that the actual movement of molecules takes place in convection in order to carry heat from a hot place to a cold place.